Exploring the wonders of coral mass spawning. Imagine a night where the ocean comes alive with a spectacular natural event. Coral reefs, vibrant and teeming with life, engage in a synchronized dance of reproduction. This extraordinary phenomenon is called coral mass spawning, a natural wonder that captivates scientists and divers alike. But what exactly happens during this event? Under the glow of the full moon, millions of coral colonies release their eggs and sperm into the water simultaneously. It's a breathtaking underwater snowstorm of life. This synchronized release is crucial for the survival of coral species. The sheer volume of gametes increases the chances of successful fertilization. Why does it happen just once a year? The timing is everything. Corals synchronize their spawning with specific lunar phases, typically around the full moon. Environmental cues such as water temperature and light also play a role in triggering this event. Each coral species has its own precise timing. Coral mass spawning is observed in oceans worldwide, with each region having its unique timing. From the Great Barrier Reef to the Caribbean, the seas light up in unison. The diversity of coral species participating in this event is staggering. Each one contributes to the vibrant tapestry of marine life. For scientists, mass spawning offers a golden opportunity to study coral reproduction and resilience. It's a vital window into the health of our coral reefs. Divers and marine enthusiasts eagerly await this annual spectacle, drawn by the chance to witness nature's incredible reproductive show firsthand. Coral reefs, essential for marine biodiversity, depend heavily on this reproductive success. Protecting these events is crucial for the future of our oceans. So next time you gaze at a full moon, remember the underwater marvels taking place beneath the waves. Coral mass spawning is a reminder of nature's extraordinary rhythms.